Previously on The Real Forex Trader.
First place we've got Richard, so congrats Rich. Up $2,900, so Richard's in place 1 with 3.86% gain on the account and is now moved up to 100,000, so that's really cool. And then we've got Callum, who's down 1,000 at this moment in time, which works out to be 2% profit. So net overall, we've now only got 2 people that are negative, and our current P&L balance, we're up 7,862. So doing great for Tuesday.
Being sort of bottom of the group, ninth out of 9 is it's obviously not where I want to be, but someone's got to be there, and unfortunately at this stage it's me.
So at the moment, Callum, you're dragging the team. We saw this last year in the last series, individuals trying to play it safe, go right, well I'm top 2, so I'm probably going to make it through to the next challenge, so I won't do anything. But this year, if we see that, we're just going to say, we saw you trying to play the game, you're not in the finals. So we just need to see each day by day taking these opportunities in these trades.
I put a trade on yesterday, Euro Japanese yen. It was looking good, flew into profit straight away, no drawdown. And then I watched the football last night. Just before I went to bed, I checked the trade. I was up 760, which was 1%. And it was very close to my take profit, so I thought, you know what, I'm going to leave it. It's hit my take profit in the previous night, so we'll leave that. And then I woke up this morning and it was gone. Down to the stop loss out of nowhere. So I started the day terribly before I came in. So I lost 750 on that, 1%. So I've gone from gaining 1% to losing 1% on that one trade. Brilliant night. At least Swansea won in football, so that's all right. And then I entered GU this morning, beautiful setup, looked for a long. Entered, but I calculated my risk incorrectly. Dumb mistake, because I've been doing it for weeks now. And the first time I make a mistake with my calculation, so I had to squeeze my stop loss. I get stopped out by 1 pip, and then it flies in my direction. But I did re-enter because the trade was still valid, the rules were there, so I re-entered the trade, and I'm currently in profit in that one. And then I have entered a CAD dollar sell as well, because that was a nice setup. Follow the rules. About an hour ago I was up 1% between the 2 trades. Now I'm up break even again.
I'm always happy, mate. Happy to be here. I'll be happier when these trades go in profit. I'm in pound, JPY, and I'm in Euro USD. So we'll have to see how it goes in the afternoon, I think, and the US session opens.
Actually, I'm long on the GBP USD. A lot of confirmation this morning, UK pivot point, a good price, good resistance with the moving average. So I'm actually in up to 0.5%. And I don't see another entry for me for this morning, so I'm going to wait.
In a trade at the moment, USD CAD. I took this on a scalp and it's gone a bit higher, but it's just at about break even at the moment, so just waiting for this to pan out and just see what happens. But if it follows the trend, sort of I'll be in profit, but it's just whether it breaks it. So need to see what happens and go from there.
My initial plan was to start the morning slow, just up after how yesterday kind of started or went and ended. Saw a lot of major pullbacks overnight. Gave things a little bit of time to settle down, and then Aussie dollar, US dollar. Had a nice bull bar here, followed the strategy, so went ahead and executed that long. Some other things are setting up as well, but I think I just like the Aussie dollar a little bit more because it's trending harder. So I'll see how that plays out. And in the meantime, I'm looking for another setup on USD franc. I'm hoping that the two pairs are not correlated, so there shouldn't be any interference of me trading against myself, basically. I'm trying to see if I can get a good pullback on USD Swiss franc, back to maybe the swing low from yesterday. And if I can get that, I'll probably take that one short as well. I was a little disappointed to start with 25K, to be fair. But it is what it is. I made my bad decisions on gold last week, so I've kind of just learned, just leave gold alone. Actually, gold is setting up nicely to take some trades today, but I'm probably going to leave it alone just because it's burnt me 3 or 4 times already. So I mean, it's nice to move up, but it is what it is. You know, just still somewhere in the middle. See if I can move up more. I mean, I'm always shooting for number 1, so that's always going to be the plan. Get to number 1. But more than that, it's just take good trades. The account balance been increased, it's double. So a little bit bigger stakes, but at the end of the day, it's all about percentages. So really just, keep doing the same thing. Don't make any obvious dumb errors and just stick to the plan. Take good trades and, hopefully the account's value reflects that.
Well, last night I saw an opportunity in odd USD, which you see up in this one here. It was a nice entry. It went up about 30 odd pips. The Y lines here, so I think I went in this one here. Yeah, this is the one I picked. And it was just with the new candle, basically, turn of the day. Obviously, I went away to bed there, got a nice move up. Was obviously hoping for it to hit my trend line and to continue up. Hasn't quite panned out the way I was hoping, but I found support down here in S1. So I'm hoping the next move up is breaking the half and back in business.
I'm in a little bit of a hole, to be honest, so just being not cautious, but I'm just going to wait and just be patient. When you're not sort of used to it, it's just knackering, mate. You're getting home and you're still in trades and you're talking about it and going to bed. In your brain, you're waking up at like 3, checking trades, 4. There's a lot of stuff away from here that you don't see. So I just personally feel today that I just need to just be patient, mate. There's a lot of other factors that you don't see. You go into it is mentally and emotionally. And I just don't want to be diving into things just because I'm bottom of the group. I'd rather just just try and keep myself composed and patient, and then see how the day pans out.
I feel a bit tired. So there's a lot goes on away, like emotionally, with your trades that you don't always see. So, it's a competition. Are they going the right way? Then your brain never switches off, so you might wake up 2 or 3 times in the night. Maybe try not to check your phone, but yeah, it's just coming to the back end of the week, it sort of catches up with you a little bit. So I just feel a bit tired today, yeah. But just try not to allow that to affect what I'm doing at the table, really.
Calling it kind of a safety Thursday. Stocks trading a little bit heavy. It's utilities, it's healthcare. They're in the green within the S&P. That's classic. Yields pushing higher here, up 2 basis points on the 2-year. 41 basis points there is where we sit. No surprise then you're seeing some money flow into the dollar, the yen, and the Swissy. Euro dollar down, well, was down a little bit more, but 116 is where we sit.
I was looking for buy something in the yen, so GBP yen or USD yen or Euro yen. But I'm pretty sure we're going to see a biggest drawdown than actually it is. So I prefer to wait for buy something in the yen against the yen. So actually I'm up 0.1% on my 2 position. So nothing really interesting. I go in 0.5%, draw down to 0.7% actually for today. So I'm just wait.
Yeah, just being honest, I was absolutely exhausted. So getting down on the account, the last thing I want to do is start making trades and then thinking, well,
So I guess it's part of the process, mate. Really, you've got to understand yourself. Sometimes, I think if it was my own money, I wouldn't be trading my own money. You know, I'd probably have a day off. So just trying to be respectful and honest. Even though it's hard, but what you can do.
How's it going? Have you seen anything? Have you got anything lined up? Are you waiting for anything?
We've got a few like marked up. But I'm obviously, I'm in like a bit of a hole, do you know what I mean? And get to the guy who can knack it. I know it's a competition, but I wouldn't trade my own money like that, do you know what I mean? So I wouldn't.
Yeah. Is it worth taking a break or try that, taking a break?
Yeah, I've sort of just been nipping in and out, but it obviously looks like I'm
Feels like you've given up almost.
No, I ain't giving up. I'm just being honest, mate. I don't want to jump in. I don't want to jump in just for the sake of competition. I wouldn't do it with my own money, so I wouldn't.
Yeah, I get that.
Just be disrespectful and just start taking trade because I'm behind. Do you know what I mean?
It's mentally tired.
Yeah, it's all new. You know, like taking trades overnight and your mind's still going. You're looking at trades, waking up constantly. I mean, I think it's just been a long week.
Yes, everyone else is in trades or has taken at least a trade today, except you. Just try and at least take one or two today.
I'm not just going to take a trade, mate. I'm going to be honest. I'm not going to take a trade for the sake of taking a trade.
But the setup.
Huh?
The setup. That's the setup. Look at that. It's trending lovely. You'd already be halfway to profit. It's not I'm not telling you to force trades. I'm telling you that there's been 4 or 5 setups at least today, and that everyone else. It's not like no one's in trades. It's only you that hasn't taken any trades. I'm just saying to you if you want to go into next week, you probably need to take at least one trade today. Reset, come back. You just got to think about it. It's like, one more push this afternoon, and then tomorrow. And do you know what I mean? What you need is like 2 good trades. 2 to 1, and you're up. That's $2,000. So.
Yes, I'm down. I'm tired. All these factors come into play. So I'm just sitting patient, mate, today, and sort of not jumping in. Just waiting for the market to give me a signal, and hopefully, you just need sort of 1 or 2 trades, and you can be back in the game. So if not, it goes further the other way, and it'll be bye for me if I don't have a good day today. But that would be disappointed because it's been amazing. But again, I've learnt a lot. So
right now it looks like it's going my way. Obviously the currencies, the Dixie's coming down here. What I wanted. I've got a nice play on the dollar Swiss franc here. It's obviously trending down nicely for me. I'm making a little bit of money on that one. But my issue is Aussie against the dollar. It's playing around. So hopefully I can get the push up soon. I have 2 good trades rather than just one going my way. Every day, at least 3 times a day. It's a wealth tree. So come on. I watched it till about 12. I watched it till about 12, and it moved away, and it was looking good. And I thought, okay, let's just see.
Yeah, like that, you can justify closing that out. Whereas your trade you closed out yesterday.
Oh yeah.
You were there, you closed out in the middle of the day.
Yeah.
I think you talked yourself into closing those out.
I did, mate. I did.
Yeah.
Without doubt.
Because I think you asked me about correlation. I said it's absolutely fine. But
Yeah. And I even spoke to Sam. I did, and then I came back.
You still closed them. Yeah.
I was going to keep the dollar Swissy, which obviously was a good trade, and then I was going to close the EJ because I felt the sentiment was off. But then I thought, well, if it turns again, I was closing the wrong one, I'm going to look stupid. It was near enough break even. I thought, let's just come out, reset, which was. That's just what I felt at the time.
Yeah,
I did.
You know, it's all part of the learning curve, really.
Yeah.
Pound yen long, euro USD long. The yen's gaining quite a bit of strength at the minute, so we'll see how it pans out. Can't think about it, because if you think about it, then you're going to start chasing trades. So it is what it is. It's a really good setup. Entry's here, I'm targeting way up at these highs. To fill this gap. I believe in the setup. Yen's been really weak recently, really weak, but you can see today it's gaining quite a bit of steam, so hopefully that sells off a bit more.
Hopefully they bounce back, and they're both nice setups. I took one about 5:30 this morning, which I probably shouldn't have, should have waited, but that's how eager I am. I get up and I'm straight on the charts, having a look, and see a nice setup, so I took it. Yeah, I did it again today, I did. Placed a stupid trade this morning on GU whilst I was at home about 6:30 this morning, so not even in a session really. It was a silly decision. I should have waited. I need to just leave my computer at home in the mornings, don't even look at it until I get into the office, because I get too eager to impress. But if, like I say, if you see the setup, take it, don't let it run away from you. But the day before, yeah, I shouldn't have taken that one. But
So guys, you've been involved with the Real Forex Trader series now for a fair few episodes. If you think you have what it takes to be one of these candidates in our next series, click the link in the description below and apply. I wish you the best of luck, and let's see if you can make it to the end.
Just 500. Well, 2 trades and I'm back in profits. It's my first day of being in losses. I'm not taking it well, but as I said, 2 trades and I'm back in business. Just don't like being down.
Existing home sales continue to power on. In fact, better than anticipated in terms of the numbers that we're seeing. We are at 6.29. The market was expecting 6.1. We're up from 5.8 last time round. On a month-on-month basis,
$165.51. I was very focused on 2s out to 5s. That's what the rate hike dance debate plays out. And that rate hike dance is getting pulled in. Deutsche Bank's Matt Lazzetti on the programme with us 24 hours ago talking up a rate hike.
Is it cheesy? A big camera in my face. 0.9 today. Let's see what's going on. Everything can be turnover, so stay focused, but good decision today. Good decision. I trade only buy on Euro Yen, NSG USD, GBP USD. I buy the dip.
I just got stocked out on GJ, but I still believe in the position. But obviously, the major crossed over, got divergence on the 30 minutes, so I just stay away from it because of the crossover on the 15 minute. Just back up to here or somewhere, which I just stay away from it. Obviously, yen's rallying.
What's cable down?
Just sitting there. I want to wait for a backbone, but I don't think I'm gonna come down that far. Pound JPY, unfortunately. Yen's just gained some strength out of nowhere. But I want to get back in, but as the EMAs are crossed on the 15 minute, I'm not allowed. And I still believe in this setup. I think it'll be a great trade. I pulled Elliot aside and he said, no, you're breaking the rules. I'm still in Euro USD, and if that comes in, it will make $2,000. So I'll be back on top of the account. Everything's just a bit slow today, other than the yen rallying. So a bit disappointing, but it happens, can't let it get to me. But other than that, I don't want to start getting in more trades just for the sake of it, because it's not my money, it's Sam's money. And I don't want to go home either. So we'll see how we get on today. I really want to get back in that pound JPY, but I'm not allowed. So I just got to watch it rally without me. If it was mum, oh yeah, I'd be back in already straight away as soon as it got stopped out, back in. But I think a lot of people are breaking rules. Anyway, everyone's trading correlated pairs, but I'm just going to stick with the one I've got. I'm not going to get in anything else unless I see a great setup.
It's not the money getting to me because it's all just percent based anyway. You don't think about the money, you think about the percentages. So the 100k is not really bothering me at all. It's just silly trades. Too eager to do well, getting too eager to impress. But it didn't work out very well, obviously. It's just, even like Sam says, you're going to have losing days and you're going to have winning days. You can't let it beat you up at all. I was a bit disappointed yesterday, I was, just because I know I'm better than that, and I'm just trying to do well. But maybe rushed it a bit too much and got in a bit too early. But I still have faith. I'm not going to give up. I don't quit.
Well, we need above the pivot. It'd be nice.
Just tell me it's blue. Is it blue?
It's blue, yeah. We've still got about 4 minutes.
It's alright though. But you can see.
It's gold, man. It's gold as well. Going for gold, as they say.
It's coming. It's coming. Come on. Come on. Listen to me. Listen. Come on. Bit loud. Come on.
3 minutes.
Yeah.
Still above the UK pivot than me. So.
Yeah, exactly, mate. Exactly. It could even go down, nick some money again. Yeah, you can have a look at him. Like, he's probably about break even right now. He's just waiting for that move. But it's above the UK pivot, so he's basically looking for the move. It's beginning to go. Just got to hold up there now. That could be a lovely spot to get him. Gold.
You going up?
Dangerous gold. Yeah, he scalped it. He scalped it on the pivot, so he's hoping. What did it switch off? The ballsy play.
I took a long on the Aussie dollar. Some news came out earlier, but it doesn't seem to have done anything. Probably already priced into the markets. Took it off of the lows here. Gave me a nice pin bar and an engulfing candle followed by that. So hoping that'll rotate back up to the top and I'll be able to get at least a 1-to-1. If it keeps pushing through there, I can get maybe like a 1.5 or 2-to-1 on that one. And then I took a short on USD CAD. I was in that yesterday. Took a 1.5-to-1 on it yesterday. Pulled back to about the same level. Took another short on it. Looks like it's trying to break down now. We'll see if we can hold the UK pivot and come down. And those are going to be my 2 trades for the day, and that's it.
Not in profit. Still down. 2 trades down. 600 pounds. 2 trades. So just waiting to see if it turns around.
Still in 2 trades. They're just sort of hovering around sort of break even at the moment. So it's just waiting it out really, and just maybe seeing what they do tonight or tomorrow, and hopefully hit profit.
Really pissed. I'm in CAD short, that's in profit, and I'm in cable long. So if these 2 trades play out, I will be break even on the account. I'm hoping that happens because I don't like being down on the account. It's the first day I've been down on the account and I've not dealt with it very well, but I just hope I can come back from this by the end of today because I'm enjoying myself. I don't want to leave the competition. So yeah, let's get on with it. It's not easy. It's not. You see all these Instagram traders driving around in Lamborghinis and you think, oh, it's a click of a button. It's not that easy. It's only one day in it. One day of bad trades. The rest have been good days. So you've got to take one day of bad trades, I think. You can't win every day.
So I caught this yesterday, perfect, and let it play out and then come in this morning, nice pull back, got in here, waiting for it to come back down to here, and I'll put me in like back to 1% profit. So yesterday I was 1% in profit, and then I took a loss this morning, which put me down to break even. So if this comes in, I'll be over 1% profit, like 1.2% profit. It will, yeah, it will.
The setup looked fine, but yeah, went against me. Market went against me. So it's taken my stop loss 1%. So I'm still in one. It's down. So I see if that can turn around. Let's watch the market, see what happens.
I'm not gonna close the trade. Sam tell me to stick to the plan, so I'm sticking to the plan. And wait. I was winning something like 1 hour ago. Easy cheesy. 0.9 today. Let's see what's going on. Everything can be turnover, so good decision today. Good decision. I'm down 75% of my profit for the day, so that's fine. I have to hold after. If I'm not hold, I don't stick with the plan, and Sam going to kill me. Sam going to kill me. He tell me to don't close my trade too early for 3 times. For the 4th time, he's going to eliminate me for that. So I prefer to hold, stick to the plan. That's fine. I'm feeling good. I have a good week, so I just have to wait. The biggest problem is my GBP USD who going down, but I can't take my profit here because it's not even 1%. So stick to the plan. I'm on 100k account, so that's normal to have fluctuation. I was up just 1% with 3 trades, so I can close this. I have to wait my TP or at least 1% of profit for every trade, so 3%. Difficult day, difficult one. Everyone going to be down, I guess, because we have a big drawdown on all the pair correlate with yen, and everyone going because it's part of the plan, of the strategy. So the result at the end of the day going to be not the same like yesterday. Not at all. Let's see.
So today's been an absolute shambles of a day. Out of all of the money that you guys have made, you've pretty much given it all back to the markets. So today was over a 5 grand loss. So pretty bad day for everybody, I would say. I, on the other hand, made 4, so we're down 1. But still, we're still having a losing day, which sucks. So we really need to pull this out of the bag for tomorrow. A lot of the mistakes are just tight stop losses. That's pretty much what I would say has caught most people out today. And tomorrow is going to be D-Day for a lot of you. So it's time to go through the rankings. We've gone through and ranked everybody. So I'm going to show you exactly where everybody is. So first place, we've got Matthew, who managed to hold on to your profits. Up 4.2%, you lost a little bit, not much. You was up nearly over 5% in total. Could have been a good day if you did close. Richard is in second, up 3,200, roughly 3.9%. Obviously, this percentage is taken into account the account increases over the time, so that's why the percentages don't look exactly as they would be, otherwise it would be 3.2. Andrew Marsh, bad day for you, plus 700 profit, you're still in third with 1.36% gain. Fourth place, to be honest with you, 4th, 5th and 6th, pretty much all hanging in there, which is Christian, Cayman and James, up between $300 and $100, so there's not really much in it between you. And to be honest with you, the bottom 3 are pretty much, I haven't even put 7th, 8th and 9th. I'd probably say that you're all the same now, so probably a bit of relief for Callum, but we've got Callum down 1,800, Bradley Jones down 2,000, and Bradley Dickinson down 1,500. So 3 of you there, all between the -2%, -3.6%. I think it's too late in the day really to start moving capital around for tomorrow. So overall, we're actually up just around $2,200 on the week. So I'm hoping that tomorrow we don't end on a total loss, because that would suck that we've been here this whole time and we finished down. We've got some staggering, trades. I think if it wasn't for Matthew and Richard, we'd be down a lot more. So I think you owe those guys a pint. Maybe not. Yeah, maybe not. Maybe not. Maybe not a game of pool either. So yeah, tomorrow you've got some serious work to do. I don't really want to see anyone tired or moping around on their desks. So let's make sure that we get a good night's sleep. Tomorrow is going to be make or break for some of you. As I said, I'd pretty much say that majority of the individuals there are at risk. I don't really want to see, Matthew, Richard or Andrew trying to play it safe either. Tomorrow I just want to see you taking trades like normal, because you might have to in order to keep everybody in positive form. Yeah. Just want to remind you that we're expecting about 1 million people to see this series, and tomorrow's sort of the cut-off point. So I really don't want people to be sat here being down, because if you're down, you look bad and I look bad as well. Yeah. In fact, I don't look bad because I've got a couple of traders that are doing really well, but I would rather like everybody to finish positive, which is still achievable where we are. It's only 1 or 2 good trades, which is all we need. 1 or 2 good trades to get you out in front. But tomorrow, everyone just needs to be high morale and performing, yeah? It's really important. You guys are trading just the UK markets. I trade the UK and then I trade the US markets. So I do double shifts. So if I'm not tired and falling asleep, then you guys shouldn't either, yeah? So if you are, make yourself a coffee, pop some Pro Plus. I don't care what it takes for you to be sat there wide-eyed, as long as it's not drugs, yeah? Do we have any questions for tomorrow? No? Does anyone need any questions answered or help before we go into tomorrow? 5 of you in here getting a 1-to-1 trade tomorrow and the rest not losing puts us back where we were today. 5 of you going and getting a 2-to-1 puts us up 10 grand in total. So, that's where we sort of want to be. It's very easily done, but when you take those trades tomorrow, just think about it. Tomorrow is the last day that you're going to be trading. Does that make sense? Yeah? And then at the end of tomorrow, we go into the final challenge. So if you want to be in the finals, tomorrow you need to make sure that you make it count. All right? Cool. Up to you guys, whatever you do now. You can stay, you can go home, get some sleep, do whatever you want to do. Let's make sure tomorrow is a positive day, all right?
Next time on The Real Forex Trader.
Thought I'd wake everyone up.
Great day, great start. I'm down 400. Told them not to be into the same trade on the same day.
I don't want to go home. I'm not ready. I got so much more in me to give. Don't want to go.
I've jumped into New Zealand USD scalp, which is going okay right now.
Next week is going to be seriously tough. And when I mean tough, I mean tougher than any series that we've done before.
So guys, you've been involved with the Real Forex Trader series now for a fair few episodes. If you think you have what it takes to be one of these candidates in our next series, click the link in the description below and apply. I wish you the best of luck, and let's see if you can make it to the end.